All right, well, I was watching Buck and Billy race live and it got me all fired up.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun.
Haven't subscribed to Buck and Billy Ray Smith, go do so. He's going to change your life. And just made me want to throw a saw up on the bench here. So I've got the Poulan P3314 from the OG Shopcat, my dad. Just throwing a rebuild kit at the carb here. Got enough parts left over that I can mostly do it without even wrecking a kit. So that's pretty cool. All I needed out of a new kit was the screen, diaphragm, and gasket. So that's it. Everything else came out of used kits, or partial kits I should say. So we got lots of new goodies going in here. I'm going to reuse the old spring because it's quite a lot. I don't know if you can tell. It's quite a lot different in length and coils and everything else. I know it's hard for you to see, but quite different from the one that comes in the kit. So we'll reuse the original. I mean, really, how much wrong can be wrong with it? Super hard to hold on to. Where'd it go? Did I seriously just totally lose it? Oh, there it is. Okay, good. It didn't go far. Man. All right, stay there. Stay there. These things. This is probably the hardest part of rebuilding a Walbro carb. You need more hands than most humans have. There we go. She's coming together. Heck yeah. There we go. Good. Now we can get the pump together. And in this case, it goes diaphragm first. Like so. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. And then gasket. All right. And then the cover. Other side. Pump, then gasket. Then the cover. The old diaphragm and gaskets. Da, da, da. That goes in there. Good. That's better. We will be all right. Okay. Yeah, that's looking good. All right, Buck, and this one's for you. Let's see how she goes. Chokes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 primes. And we have to set the throttle on this. Nope. All right, let's see. Put her down here. Give her some more primage. All right, half choke. come on. Yeah, baby. Well, I am really fighting the internet out here in the shop today, but at any rate, besides the cleanup, which this fuel-soaked rag is doing a really nice job, I'm going to call this 3314 good to go. Blade actually looks pretty sharp, so I'll have to give it a test out here one of these days, but generally speaking, there's not much more I can do with this bad boy. Just needs a wash up. Got this baby all cleaned up. It looks awesome. Looks brand new. But if you've been around the channel a while, you know I don't do too many projects without naming them. So this one needs a name. There we go. Clean that up a bit with the silver Sharpie and make it look real nice, but Buchan's fault. It's all Buchan's fault that I got all inspired to get this thing fired up. So there we have it. Buchan's fault is complete. Mama Cat's calling me in, so I better head inside. Have a good night. Cheers.